For thousands of years, philosophers and astronomers and thinkers of all sorts have imagined that the universe, the space around us, was rather like this floor in front of us. It was fixed and unchangeable, and things happen on it just as people walk around. So the stars, the comets, and the planets and the other heavenly bodies moved around and traced down their parts on this completely unchanging stage of space. In the 20th century, as the result of Einstein's work, that view of the universe was completely transformed. We began to understand that there was no absolutely fixed stage of space at all on which all celestial notions were played out. But in some sense, on the larger scale in the universe, the space itself was in this state of a continuous dynamic change. That was a prediction made by Einstein, but it wasn't Einstein who held the honor of making the discovery that the universe was really like that.
To a female orb web spider, a suitable male can look like a mate and a meal. For these spiders, the dating game has turned into a deadly dance of evolutionary one-upsmanship. The female spider can choose when to cut off intimate relations by eating her partner or kicking him out. This dynamic has led males to an unlikely strategy to make sure they have some say in the matter: self-castration. Males are able to leave part or all of their organ inside of a female, which decreases the odds the female will be able to mate again. But new research shows that when a male leaves his whole kit and caboodle behind, his likelihood of fathering the next batch of eggs is much higher. Why? His parting gift keeps on giving, even after he is gone. This remote copulation technique actually boosts the amount and speed of sperm transferred to the female. The behavior is described in the journal Biology Letters. So, for these unlucky fellas, it is better to have loved and lost.
Sleep. There's nothing better than a nice, long, uninterrupted... I can't sleep when there's... But you ever notice, noise doesn't wake everyone. Now scientists have a better idea why. Because sound sleepers show a certain brain rhythm when they doze. Findings published in the journal Current Biology. To study the brain waves of a good night's sleep, scientists invited volunteers to snooze in the lab. While the subjects caught some Z's, the researchers monitored their brain activity. They then subjected the sleepers to more. And they found that those who were able to slumber straight through all the showed more short bursts of faster brain waves. This activity, the scientists say, is the brain's way of blocking out the and the while you're trying to rest. The scientists don't yet know of any way to boost those sleep-saving brainwaves, so until then, shut the door, make sure the late show's on a timer, and try to have sweet dreams.